At Marico, we believe that an organization must have a purpose, which is much beyond profits. We strive to transform in a sustainable manner the lives of those we touch by nurturing and empowering them to maximize their true potential. Globally, the key initiatives aligned to our purpose are community sustenance, healthcare, education, fostering innovation. In Bangladesh, we are bringing alive our purpose of making a difference with Shopno by unlocking the potential of underprivileged women with livelihood skills and employability, and Odummo by empowering differently abled youth with the right skills.
আমার 15 বছরে বিয়ে হয়েছিল। আমার 3টে বাচ্চা, ছোট বাচ্চার বয়স যখন 2 বছর তখন আমার স্বামীর লিভার ক্যান্সারে মারা গেছিল। আমি খুব কষ্টের পরে দিন গেছি। আমার লোকের বাসায় কাজ করতাম, ক্ষেত খন্দলে কাজ করতাম। মাইকে প্রচার করলো যে স্বপ্ন প্রকল্পর কাজ আইছে 2 বছরের। আমি ওই কথা শুনি পরিষদে গিয়েছিলাম, মানে লটারি হলো, লটারিতে আমার নাম বাঁধলো, এই বলে আমার কাজ দিল। $6,000 নিয়ে আমি ব্যবসা শুরু করলাম। এখন এই কাজ উঠে গেছে। আমার 95,000 টাকার মাল আছে আমার দোকানে। মেরিকো বাংলাদেশ ইউএনডিপি ও স্বপ্ন প্রকল্পের মাধ্যম থেকে আমার জীবন বদলাই দিয়েছে। আমি এখন খুব সুখী, খুব খুশি। আমার নিজের জন্য, আমার পরিবারের জন্য আমি এখন সুন্দরভাবে স্বপ্ন দেখি।
With Odummo, we have made a beginning with specially abled youth getting jobs in private sector. Thousands of such Rifat and Mashuda are living underprivileged, who can become self-sufficient and independent with proper help, training and guidance. Shopna Project helps the widowed and deserted women so that they can support their families, while Odummo Project trains the specially abled people to be equal in life. It is an initiative of Marico to contribute towards the SDG goal and in helping underprivileged towards empowerment. The representative of UNDP Bangladesh, partner of Marico Bangladesh Limited in Shopna program, sheds more light on the impact of the project in the country.
Shopno means to dream in Bangla. This is about investing in social transformation by empowering the destitute, the most marginalized women in Bangladeshi community who are most often either widowed at an early age or deserted by the husbands and ostracized by both the society and the community. Shopno helps them learn to dream and to make the dreams come true. The Shopno graduates are not only playing important roles in society, they can now look to the leaders in the eye, they can demand their rights, they bring up families alone and better, they're able to earn a living, they educate their children, and as a group are an extremely positive force in society. I thank Marico for the partnership. With them, we have had a meeting of minds in the Shopno initiative, and jointly we are investing to ensure that these poor women and the children are not left behind.
I'm Mujahid, proud member of Marico sales team. At Marico, we don't only talk about CSR, we engage in it, we live it. I got the opportunity to give back to society by developing a training module for people with speech and hearing disabilities. I got to interact with people with certain physical challenges and learn from them. I'm Americonian. I live with purpose of unlocking human potential.
Marico Bangladesh promises to make a difference in the lives of 65,000 women and to create respectful living opportunities for specially abled youth through its programs. In our journey of making a difference, we believe this is just the beginning.